own a cat or a dog? Or a miniature human being for that matter? Any ideas on what we've got here? Keep watching and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary. And this is my buddy Matt. We're just a bunch of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. So while getting 8 packages a day delivered from Amazon sounds like a lot of fun, things started to get a little crowded here in Matt's garage. All we ask is for you to get involved. Like the video, comment on the products you'd like to win, subscribe to Review to You with notifications enabled so that we can let you know each week when the winners are announced. Okay, back to today's Mystery Vine Voices product. It's the Hoover Powerdash Pet Plus Spot Cleaner. We love having our little buddies running around the house, but that constant hair and occasional accident can really funk up the carpet. Pets are kids. It's applicable. Accidents happen. That's why they aren't called on purposes. But that doesn't change the fact that you have to deal with them. Those who have sat there for an hour scrubbing the muck out of their carpet will know what we're talking about. The good news is that it doesn't have to be like that ever again. The Hoover Powerdash Pet Spot Cleaner has the same stain removing prowess as the larger and more expensive units in their range, all packed into a pint-sized package. It's more of a handheld carpet cleaner, best reserved for emergencies and used in addition to your main, much larger vacuum. It sports dual tanks, one for the cleaning solution and the other also for the cleaning solution, with the addition of mess and stains. It comes with a choice of 3 different 4-inch attachments depending on what you're cleaning. There's a stainless steel spot and stain tool used to soak the carpet and then extract all that unpleasantness. Alternately, there is a bristled brush and a rubber-nubbed finger tool to scrub harder surfaces and get deeper into the fibers. The Hoover branded Paws and Claws pre-mixed solution also comes in the box, which is handy. So, what do we like about the Powerdash? The unit itself is so compact and lightweight it can fit under the kitchen sink. It's extremely portable and doesn't take a great deal of effort to carry around and use. It's actually the lightest portable carpet cleaner on the market right now and comes in at a shade under 6.5 pounds. It's very easy to set up. Within minutes, we were tackling the wine spill and the dirty footprints Matt created. The maintenance is pain-free with this thing. The solution tank clicks out and can be refilled in a matter of seconds with fresh solution. Likewise, the waste tank pops off separate to be washed in the sink. The suction on this unit is quite strong, and with the 312-watt motor, it punches well above its weight class. It's just as much at home cleaning the upholstery in the car or on the living room couch. The stains don't necessarily have to be fresh either, with the Powerdash happy to munch away at old stains after they've had a hit of the pre-treatment solution. What's the downside? Sadly, due to a small capacity 8-ounce solution tank and 11-ounce waste tank, spot cleans are all that this unit can manage. If you're looking for a replacement for your larger vacuum, this isn't it. The hose is a little on the short side at only 2 feet long. However, the corners of the room are reachable thanks to an ample 14-foot length of power cord wound around the base. So, what's the verdict? To be honest, this was a bit of a relief to use after being so used to lugging around a much bigger vacuum to do our regular cleaning. We were quite pleasantly surprised at just how good the extraction process was. And the carpet was left damp, but not soggy. We've given the Hoover Powerdash Go Pet Plus Spot Cleaner a 4 out of 5 stars. Go grab one! For such a tiny unit, the Powerdash cleans surprisingly well, and we'd assume it would tackle all but the most stubborn stains that would definitely require a proper industrial strength carpet cleaner. The Hoover Powerdash Plus Pet Spot Cleaner could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To win this amazing product, the rules are very simple. Just subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with the hashtag Hoover. That's it. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winners exactly a week from now. Good luck. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.